Welcome to the best picks. The Best Mason Jar Kit is probably one of the most versatile and easy-to-use fermentation systems available today, allowing you to transform simple ingredients into delicious and healthy fermented foods right in your own kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned fermentation enthusiast or a curious beginner, this kit offers everything you need to start your fermentation journey with ease and confidence, transforming your culinary experience with the magic of fermentation. Number 5. Masontops Fermentation Kit. Transform your mason jars into fermentation powerhouses. This kit provides everything you need to easily create delicious and healthy fermented foods at home. It includes 4 airlock lids, 4 fermentation weights, and a handy vegetable tamper. Plus, you'll get a bonus recipe book to get you started. Make sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, and more. It's perfect for fermenting vegetables in brine or dry salting them. Simply fill your jars, add weights and lids, and let it ferment. The airlocks release gas without letting oxygen in, so there's no need for burping. With Masontops, creating healthy and delicious fermented foods is easier than ever. Enjoy the satisfaction of making your own probiotic-rich treats. Trust the Masontops name for quality and ease of use. Our kit comes with step-by-step instructions and beautiful photos to guide you. What we like? It includes everything you need to start fermenting in wide-mouth mason jars. If you're a beginner and want a convenient, all-in-one solution, this is perfect for you. It simplifies the process, making fermentation accessible to everyone. What people say. Great kit. Before purchasing the Masontops kit, I had made quite a few batches of beer, wine, and carbonated lemon-lime drinks, sort of like 7-Up or Sprite. But I'd never made my own fermented food. Now, courtesy of this kit, I've made Korean kimchi and traditional German-style kraut many times. With 4 of the little pretty much goof-proof airlocks, you can keep several batches going at once. Almost everything you need to get started is here. For very simple to clean, simple to use airlocks, 4 weights to place in the tops of your fermentation jars to keep your veggies from floating up to the top, and significantly, a great wooden tamp of sorts to push things like cabbage into the bottom of the jar. The tamping can also be used to mash the cabbage or other leafy veggies to get them macerating even before they land in the fermentation jar. Number 4. Masontops Fermentation Kit. This kit has everything you need to transform your mason jars into fermentation vessels. It's perfect for making smaller batches of your favorite fermented foods. You get 4 airlock lids, 4 glass weights, and a handy acacia wood tamper. Plus, a recipe book is included to get you started. It's easy to ferment vegetables in brine, or use the tamper to pack dry ferments like sauerkraut and kimchi. Boost your gut health with delicious, homemade probiotics. Simply fill your jars, add weights and the airlock lids. It's self-burping, so no need to monitor or burp your jars. Masontops is your trusted source for quality mason jar accessories. Our step-by-step instructions make fermenting fun and easy. What we like? This kit is ideal for smaller batches and those with limited space. If you are looking for a compact and adaptable fermenting kit, this is the one for you. It's perfect for experimenting with smaller quantities of various fermented foods. What people say. Almost everything you need to get started is here. For very simple to clean, simple to use airlocks, 4 weights to place in the tops of your fermentation jars to keep your veggies from floating up to the top, and significantly, a great wooden tamp of sorts to push things like cabbage into the bottom of the jar. The kit is a hint on the expensive side, but the quality of the wooden tamper, the silicone vents, and the weights seem good to me. Everything works great with easy-to-follow recipes. Number 3. Burp Lids Curing Kit. Say goodbye to frustratingly twisting and prying lids. It uses an oxygen extraction pump for simple, quick burping. Just place, pump, and press, it's that easy. This features a waterless airlock valve. It seals your container, releases carbon dioxide, and lets you add fresh oxygen daily. Never forget when you started a batch again. Each lid has a built-in date tracker for easy organization. They create a vacuum seal inside the jar, making it very difficult for contaminants to grow. This significantly increases your chances of success. Burp lids are designed to simplify your curing process, making it stress-free and successful. Try them today and see the difference. What we like? These lids create an airtight seal, minimizing the risk of spoilage. If you value convenience and want to easily monitor your fermentation batches, this is your best bet. The built-in date tracker and easy burping mechanism will save you time and effort. What people say. Absolutely creates a vacuum inside the vessel. Removes the oxygen and prevents the mold. These fit wide-mouth mason jars perfectly and eliminate the need for burping jars while fermenting. Number 2. Burp Lids 12-Pack Kit. Introducing the Burp Lids 12-Pack Curing Kit, designed for wide-mouth mason jars. It simplifies the curing process and minimizes the risk of bud rot. Say goodbye to frustrating lid removal. It features an oxygen extraction pump for quick and easy burping. Simply place, pump, and press, it's that simple. This kit utilizes waterless airlock valve technology. This creates a vapor lock, releasing carbon dioxide while preventing oxygen from entering. Never forget when you started a batch again. Each lid has a built-in date tracker for easy batch management. The vacuum seal created by these lids makes it extremely difficult for contaminants to grow, significantly increasing your chances of a successful cure. Take your curing process to the next level with this innovative kit. It maximizes your chances of a fresh and successful harvest. What we like. Get 12 lids and a pump for consistent, successful fermentation. If you ferment frequently and need a reliable, high-volume solution, this is the kit for you. The vacuum seal ensures optimal fermentation results every time. What people say. Absolutely creates a vacuum inside the vessel. Removes the oxygen and prevents the mold. These fit wide-mouth mason jars perfectly and eliminate the need for burping jars while fermenting. Number 1. JILLMO Fermentation Jar. Get ready to experience the joy of fermentation with our complete kit. It includes everything you need to start fermenting your favorite foods right away. This amazing kit comes with 2 fermentation jars, weights, airlocks, and all the necessary seals. You'll have everything you need to get started. Made from lead-free, thick glass, it's safe and durable. Just sterilize it with warm water before use, keeping the temperature below 60 degrees Celsius. Its wide mouth and neck make it easy to access your fermenting ingredients. Cleaning is a breeze, too. The airtight lid, grommet, and airlock ensure that your creations stay safe and protected from unwanted elements during the fermentation process. It's incredibly simple to set up and even dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Start fermenting today. What we like. This kit offers great value with 2 jars, weights, and airlocks. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-clean fermenting system with a large opening for easy access, this is a great choice. The large mouth makes adding and removing ingredients a breeze. What people say. The JILLMO Fermentation Jar, 2-liter fermentation kit with fermenting weights and airlocks, is a comprehensive and efficient solution for fermenting homemade foods with ease. This kit includes all necessary components for successful fermentation: a durable glass jar, fermenting weights, and airlocks. Wide mouth will mail for easy cleaning. Has plenty of space for larger batches. The jars are a nice size. Others I looked at were either too large or too small. They're easy to clean and the water airlocks are a nice addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.